Hi. What? What? Who is that? Who is that? Oh, are you cute? What?
But me and Mr. Rogers almost got into a yelling match over this dog.
No, this is definitely a lab. What is
Well,
it?
he stood there and I said to him,
What?
this is not a lab mix. It's a pit bull. I said, okay, Mr. Rogers, what's the difference between that dog and this dog right here? They look just alike.
Oh, you're so cute. You are a lab. Tell me what you are. What? We speak? Speak?
And he doesn't know his name is Chester. I named him.
Speak? What? What? Say again. What? What? Tell me again. Again? Some more? Okay. You're cute.